YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some more quick fixes on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner meant for above ground pools. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So today we are back with Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner. As you guys can see here, I have a pretty much deconstructed cleaner here in front of me. If you guys want to know how we got all the way down to this portion of the cleaner, make sure you guys check out the link in the description. We got a playlist that I'll actually walk you guys through how to get down to this point of the cleaner. For today's quick fix, we actually want to show you guys how to replace this ratchet tab. So the ratchet tab is meant for some servicing on the cleaner, but it is important for the functionality of the cleaner. So if this does fall off, you guys actually want to make sure that you do replace this part. In order to get it out, you do need to completely deconstruct the cleaner, as I have here in front of you guys. You also need to remove the brushes on the bottom. You don't necessarily need to remove the lift brush itself or the other center brush, but the brush that's located right next to it is the one that's going to be in your way, so you do want to make sure that you remove this. To get it, you're going to want to go from the bottom of the cleaner, and what you're doing is you're trying to slide this tab over into this open area right here very gently. It helps up top if you kind of, push it forward and slide it. You guys can see it actually has its own pre-done little part in the frame here. So when I did that up top, you guys can see how much it moved. It's much easier to deal with if you have a flat head, but all I have is a Phillips right now. As you guys can see, it comes out pretty simple. You just need to kind of work on it a little bit. It has little notches to help keep it attached to the frame, but you do want to make sure that you do have this installed on your cleaner to make sure that everything functions correctly. So if yours is broken off and you're looking to just replace your new one, you always want to start by, again, you're going to want to start on the bottom of the cleaner, because it's easier when you can slide it over like this. You're going to slide it down so that you have the actual L-shaped grab, and then all you're trying to do is kind of work that piece into its opening here. Just go ahead and push that over, flip it over, and you're going to look to make sure that the tab is actually seated correctly on its portion of the frame. So once you do that, everything's good to go. Go ahead and reassemble the entire cleaner. Go ahead and snap in your brush on the bottom. It is what helps keep that ratchet tab in place. So it is important that this is there to make sure that doesn't come off in usage, as well as just to make sure the cleaner works all together for you guys. So today we showed you guys how to get to the service ratchet tab on the Pentair Kreepy Krauly Dorado suction side pool cleaner. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.